So you want to become a mortgage broker. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ins and outs of how you can become a mortgage broker in the UK and how you can start your successful career today. So what does a mortgage broker actually do? Mortgage brokers play an important role in facilitating the mortgage process for clients. So they're offering tailored solutions to meet financial needs and financial goals. Now here's a look at what a mortgage broker actually does and the services they can provide. They can advise first-time home buyers on available mortgage options and guide them through the application process. They can assist homeowners with remortgages or upsizing. They can offer guidance on equity release products for homeowners near retirement. They can also look at other financial products, things like life insurance, critical illness cover, income protection, alongside home insurance and other products like that. Now, a mortgage broker versus mortgage advisors, this is something that people hear a lot and they don't know what the difference is. Now, the term mortgage broker and mortgage advisor are often used interchangeably. They essentially refer to the exact same thing. They are professionals who guide people through that mortgage process. The key distinction lies in how the brokers operate within the market. When we talk about tied advisors or brokers, we're referring to mortgage brokers and professionals who have affiliation with specific lenders or financial institutions. So this means that their recommendations are limited to a small amount of products and they're offered by select partners. On the other hand, you've got independent mortgage brokers and advisors, and they enjoy effectively autonomy with unrestricted access to the entire mortgage market. This freedom allows them to explore a wide range of options and source from competitive deals for their clients. It's also worth noting, by the way, that even though somebody can be classed as independent, it doesn't always mean that they are fully independent, because there are lenders and providers who do not deal with brokers at all. So what are the benefits of you becoming a mortgage broker? Well, embarking on a career as a mortgage broker offers a ton of benefits. Firstly, assisting clients achieve their home ownership goals is super satisfying. Another significant advantage is that it is a very flexible job, and many mums or dads find it great to work around their kids. It allows you to manage your schedule, manage your workload. You can really have a great work-life balance, and especially if you are self-employed. And the big reason is there is also a massive potential for some solid earnings. Income can actually vary depending on factors like experience, performance, whether or not you're self-employed or employed in the roles you're in. Mortgage brokers have the opportunity to earn very competitive salaries with additional incentives such as commissions, bonuses, financial rewards. You can also have things like company cars, car allowances, all put into the packages if they're in employed roles. So how much do mortgage brokers earn in the UK? So how much mortgage brokers earn can range wildly, okay? And you might see a new mortgage broker stepping into the space in an employed role at around 30,000 a year, and then you can have seasoned pros earning upwards of about £70,000 a year as employed roles. Some of them might go more, but that 30 to 70 is a rough range that you see many employed roles getting to. Now, when you actually start looking at going self-employed, I myself work with many clients who earn $500,000 a year just on being a mortgage broker alone. So it's very lucrative if you're good at the job and you target the right audience. But the great thing about mortgages is that the earning potential is absolutely massive if you're willing to work. So what are the expected qualifications required to become a mortgage broker? To become a mortgage broker or a mortgage advisor, you need to complete a level 3 mortgage advice qualification. This is effectively an equivalent to an A-level qualification to become a mortgage broker. Qualifications to become an advisor include the CMAP Mortgage Advisor course through the London Institute of Banking and Finance, and the Certificate of Mortgage Advice through the Chartered Insurance Institute. Now, you don't need to have a degree to pursue a career as a mortgage broker, but knowledge in finance and knowledge in business is definitely going to help you stand out in your field, especially if you're trying to go up on your own and build a business on your own. So what are the skills that are required to becoming a solid broker? Mortgage brokers require a diverse set of skills, and to be successful, they really want to look at these following 4. So the first one being clear communication. Brokers need to simplify financial terms, ensuring clients understand the options and make informed choices. The other one is analytical thinking. So assessing clients' finances, matching them with suitable mortgage products. It requires sharp analytical skills because you need to be able to see the wood from the trees when it comes to analyzing those products. Attention to detail is another one. So from reviewing your mortgage terms to financial documents, you need to make sure you have a fine attention to detail. It is a regulated environment, and it is important that you get it right so you don't mess up somebody's life, because you really can. And you need to be good at customer relationships. And so building trust with clients is key. You need to be able to foster trust and friendship and a sense of belonging with your customers, because they're going to refer you time and time again, and they're going to be the person that's going to build your business going forward. So how to become a mortgage broker? Well, if you're wondering on how to become a mortgage broker, it's essential you understand the financial and time commitments involved. So the fee for the CMAP exam, as of right now, when I just checked their website, it is £645 for the full qualification. And the time it takes to qualify typically spans from about 6 months to about a year and a half, depending on what you do. And people do like to go out there on their own and do it, but honestly, there are other ways you can do this that might be easier for you to learn and also be paid on the job. The first one is get experience in the field. So you can gain experience by working in roles in the financial services industry, such as retail banking. These positions offer valuable insights into mortgages and allow you to gradually build your expertise and progress into a mortgage broker role. You can also go on a mortgage advice training schemes. You're becoming a trainee mortgage advisor in some of these employed corporate companies, and these programs provide a really structured learning and hands-on experience to equip you with all the knowledge and the skills to be a good advisor. These often, though, will require you to stay with the company for a number of years to pay for your training debt, and this is quite a common path to becoming a broker that many people find. And then the other one you can do is you can actually do apprenticeships. So you could explore apprenticeship programs where you can go and work for independent financial advisors, under experienced brokers who maybe are self-employed on their own, and you can go under there and become their administrator, their paraplanner, and then slowly build yourself up to the point where you become a fully qualified advisor. So there are different routes to market for sure, but it's about finding the best one that suits you and also your current commitments. So how long will it take to become a mortgage broker? Honestly, it's about how long is a piece of string. If you dive into those training schemes and you want to work with a corporate company, you can become a mortgage broker within a couple of months, and then they will get you up there, fast track you through, and then guide you through the entire process over a 2-year period. But you'll be earning on the job straight away, and you'll be qualified and writing business by about 6 months in. If you go down the apprenticeship route, it could take a number of years because they want you to learn. This type of role will give you a more deeper understanding of how cases are done, because you'll be learning from experienced advisors dealing with their cases. So this could take you 2 or 3 years, but you may have a deeper knowledge than if you jumped into the other one. If you go and do it on your own, then that can be the hardest one, because realistically that requires you to have to go and find somebody who's willing to take you on and put you through CAS status, which is competent advisor status, which is what is needed in order for you to be fully qualified as a mortgage broker. Now, can you become a self-employed mortgage broker? Yes, you can. Going solo as a self-employed mortgage broker is going to offer you a ton of freedom and flexibility, and it's going to let you set your own schedule, which we spoke about already. Now, the issue you do find that your responsibility now, it becomes finding clients and finding leads. So before you dive into being a self-employed advisor and think it's the best thing, think carefully about the pros and cons, and can you actually generate leads yourself? Because if you can't, you'll earn no money. What are the career progressions like for mortgage brokers? Mortgage brokers offer lots of different opportunities for career advancement. It's a massive industry, the financial services, and you can actually grow. If you're self-employed, you could grow your own business and have multiple people working underneath you. If you're employed, and climb up that ladder and start to manage teams within that company. You can even sidestep out and start to work with the lenders themselves as business development managers. This industry has so many jobs within it. I myself, for example, stepped from mortgage brokering into marketing and coaching, all from that industry. So the career progression is very good. So in summary, mortgage brokering is probably one of the best jobs ever. I love it so much. It gave me and my family an amazing opportunity, and it's definitely something I'd recommend. The opportunity to earn well, to live a life that has purpose, and also for you to have a scope to progress into all different areas is unparalleled in my opinion for this. So if it's something you're considering doing, then I think you should jump straight in. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, which is all about building your business as a mortgage broker so that you can attract those leads and improve your impact and income.